Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will be telling about how to fix app crash problem in your Motorola smartphone. So if you are having crash problem in your YouTube, sometimes you open your application, it crashed and back to home screen. So if your YouTube is crashing or any other application is crashing, you have to just long press that application, click on that I button. Here it will show you all its settings. Then you have to click on storage and cache, clear the cache, clear the data if you not having that, give all the permissions. If you have allowed notification, you have to enable all of that. Then you have to simply restart your device and your app crash problem will be fixed. Or there is another way also, you can just go to the applications, here it is, and reset all your applications. Just click on all application, here it will be showing reset app preference. So by doing that, you will not lose any of your data. It will reset all of this and click on reset app and your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.